Bay in San Antonio. I heard this guy tell some of the people, man, like, I hope it's okay, you know what I mean?
Alright, so what I got here that I'm showing is my 1977 K20. This truck was originally Cordova brown and white. I bought it, I want to say I bought it probably about 25, maybe 28 years ago. And I would say probably in the early 2000s, like around 2004, I was doing a full restoration on it, and I did a color change, so I wanted to do like a gunmetal gray, and I painted all the frame, protected it. Let's see what else I do. I upgraded the center cross member to off-road design style. It's this I guess it's like a high clearance cross member it's really for like a crossover steering. But anyway, so at the time I put it in here. I liked it. What else did I do? The frame wasn't cracked. I just put this, added the reinforcement plate here, just as extra, just to beef up the frame for the steering box. That's what the side looks like. And the Dana 44, I put, these are brand new. Brand new. This is the Dana 44 HD, the heavy duty external hub. So brand new mile markers. This is a 409 geared 409 gears for this truck. That's the factory gears, 409 in 1977. The 14 bolt. I completely put. I know I did completely redid the brakes, cylinders. I think I want to say I even did all brand new, put brand new bearings and everything. So the rear end I went through. It's an open differential at the moment. Originally, this truck would have been equipped with a 400 engine. I got it with a 350. They always seem to be swapped out at some point. So it came with a 350 with a 350 trans and a 203 in it. So what was I doing at the time? I was going to convert it to a standard. So I got a Muncie with the 205 all in there. And this thing it's been an on and off again project, and then I just completely gave up on it. So it's been sitting back here for years. But the good news is I'm not going to focus on this project 100%, but I am going to start throwing it all back together little by little with what I have laying around in the yard, because I have mostly, I would say, radiator support. I got pretty much everything. I would say I have 90% of everything, well, probably 100% of everything to get this truck all back together, original. Have the rear leaf springs, have front leaf springs. I got a harness. I have all the original doors. I can use fenders, hood, and I even have a 400 engine that I'm going to rebuild, and I'm going to go back with the original 400 engine. I'm going to go with a 400 trans and a 203. I have a 400 transmission that I built probably over 15 years ago, but I've never ran it. It's been it's been out of the weather, and it's installed in actually in another truck right now. But I'm thinking about, I'm going to drop that one. I'm going to pull that transmission with the 203. That's already been converted to part-time, and I'm going to swap it into here. So this will have the original 400 engine matching to the VIN. 400 engine with a 400 trans, 203. I'm going to keep it the Dana 44 front 3/4 ton. Keep that original, 409 gears, and it'll be a badass truck. Now the body, that's another story. The bed, I still have the bed, but I was able to find a rust-free bed several few years back, and I got a good deal on the bed. So what I plan to do is eventually flip it, take it off, flip it back over, and I'm gonna treat all the underside of the bed and paint it. I even have the original doors. I'm gonna go look, check for some doors. Got the doors. I even have the fenders, and I'm just gonna just little by little piece this thing back together. The main reason is this tree right here. This tree right here, I'm afraid it might rot. It's actually not. It's not. Yeah, it looks like it's rotting. I don't want it to fall on my truck and just completely just crush the cab. So I gotta get this rolling. These like a rolling chassis, so I can get and I put steering back on it. I even have the column. I have everything to put this truck back together. It's just the time, more the time and the work. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna start working on it little by little. I want to get it. First thing is I want to get it on all fours. I have some tires that I mounted. I have 3 tires right now. I have the 4th tire, but I need to go get that one mounted so I can get with outlaw wheels. Like I said, I'm just using stuff that I have in the yard, and that didn't cost me hardly anything, just a mounting. And so I got tires, 8 lug wheels I'm gonna put on here so I can get this up off the ground, so I can at least get it moving. I'm gonna get the rear suspension back on it. That's why it's like that. I stowed the rear leaf springs off it because they were custom built. They were like a 3-inch, a 3-inch pack that I had custom built, and I stowed those for a different project. So I'm gonna go back with some stock leaf springs, some 3 leafers in the front. So that's what I'm going to start working on a little bit today. Just really, I'm going to start cleaning all this area out and clean the back out. And I like to mount the outlaw wheels on here, the 3 that I have, and then come back maybe next weekend and start tacking it a little bit more. The long-term plan is I would like to paint it all Cordova brown, the original Cordova brown. I'm not going to two-tone it because originally it had a two-tone white. It had a white in the center of it, which I didn't really like. So I'm going to go all Cordova brown, and this one was had the 77 trim with the yellow in it. So it had the trim, the 1 year only 1977 body trim with the yellow stripe. And I actually have all that also. I'll have all that put up. That's in I'll see what's in good shape or not, but I have all those pieces. Anyway, so it's gonna be some work. That's for sure. But hey, it's worth it. I don't want the tree to fall on it mainly. I want to get it out of here. I need to reshuffle and move all this stuff around. Anyway, just want to show a quick video of what's the plan for this. This is kind of just I'm not going to be focusing on this so much, but I'm going to come, like I said, every once in a while and just piece it back together slowly, little by little. All right, it's Squarebody, and I'll be showing a lot more in the near future. Bye for now.